Hi friends, welcome to Good Life Designs. Today, let's make an ethnic jacket for a 3-year-old girl. It can also be used as a front open kurta. You can customize the measurements as per your child. Place one layer of fabric over the lining and cut a rectangle of 13 inches by 14 inches. This is for the back panel of your bodies. Fold it in half and now we will make the marking. Mark 2.5 inch for neck and another 2.5 inch for the shoulder. Give a slant of half inch from neck to shoulder. Now mark 5 inches from the shoulder. Give it a curve. Mark 2 inch as the depth of the neck. Now cut the fabric along the markings. Now for the front panel also, take a layer of lining and fabric and cut a rectangle of 16 by 13 inches. Cut it in the middle and make it in two parts. Now keep the back panel aligned on one side and in the middle we will have extra fabric. Now cut. Only the neck will be 3.5 inches deep this time for the front panel. The armholes of the front panel we will cut a little deeper. Deepen the front part of the armhole a bit. Now take the remaining fabric in two layers. So smaller circle which will go at the waist, I am marking at 8.5 inches according to the calculation that was shown earlier. And the bigger circle which will be the hem of the skirt, I am marking 10 inches more, that is 18 inches. I am taking the circumference of the waist a little more than calculated so that I can give a fold at the back. Now cut the fabric and the lining same way. Now arrange the lining and the fabric in one layer, both having right sides facing inward. Cut a strip of 9 inches by 4 inches. Now for the sleeves, take the fabric in 4 layers. For 3 by 4 sleeves, I have taken 9 inches length. Other side, I have taken 7 inches length. Taking a gap of 2.5 inches, I draw a parallel line to the edge. And then I join the two parallel lines with a diagonal and then I give it a curve for the armhole cutting. So the markings for the sleeves are ready. We will cut it now. Deepen the cut on the front side of sleeves. Same way cut the lining also. Layer sleeve fabric with lining, both right side facing inwards and give a stitch. Stitch the ends of the sleeves and fold them inside out. Fold the thin strip lengthwise and give simple stitch on two sides. Now turn it inside out so that the right sides comes outwards. Now layer the front panels and lining both right sides facing inwards. Place the thin strip as you can see in the video and sew it. Turn it inside out and sew once again. For other side, insert the loops of dory for your buttons. Pin them 5 buttons, 5 loops and then give a simple stitch along the neck and the front. Open it inside out, and this is how it should look. Give one more simple stitch along the neck and the front. For the back panel, stitch along the neck. Give small notches along the neck and turn it inside out. Now give one more simple stitch on the neckline. Now sew the shoulders of front panel and the back panels. Now we will be attaching the sleeves. Turn the sleeve also inside out and give a simple stitch on the edge. Align the middle of the sleeve with the center of the shoulder and pin it up. Now stitch the sleeve with the armhole very carefully. Do it with both the sleeves. After stitching, this is how our bodies will look like. Finish the bodies by sewing the sides together. Now make a simple stitch along the sides and the hem of the skirt. Give some notches along the circular hem. Turn it inside out and give one more simple stitch along the hem and the sides. Now we have to attach the skirt and the bodies together. Place the bodies and the skirt as shown in the video. Pin them together. We are starting from the front and going towards back on both the sides. In the middle of the back, we will have some extra fabric for introducing a plait. So here we have marked the middle of the back panel, and the extra fabric I have folded in the form of a box plate. I will be pinning it up here and then sewing it together with a simple stitch. It's almost done. The only thing left is attaching the buttons. Before attaching the buttons, please remember to like, share and subscribe the video. So our beautiful ethnic jacket is ready to be worn. Please comment if you like our video. Thank you.